Today we are going to solve the MCQ of life process and living organism part 2 and next chapter environment management. Okay, let's begin. First MCQ is, in human there are dash dash pair of chromosome. Option A 22, option B 23, option C 44, option D is 46. Correct answer is 23 pair. Next, which of the following is not a type of asexual reproduction in multicellular organism? Option A fragmentation, option B regeneration, option C budding, option D binary fission. Correct answer is binary fission. Next, find the odd man out. A stigma, B anther, C style, D ovary. Correct answer is anther. Next, at the time of birth there are dash dash oocyte in the ovary of female fetus. Option A 1 to 2 million, option B 2 to 3 million, option C 2 to 4 million, option D none of these. Correct answer is 2 to 4 million. Okay. Next question. Modern remedial technique is used if there is a problem in implantation of embryo in the uterus. A surrogacy, B sperm bank, C in vitro fertilization, D none of these. Correct answer is surrogacy. Next, implantation of the embryo occur in A uterus, B ovary, C oviduct, D vagina. Correct answer is uterus. Next, in human sperm production occur in the organ A testes, B scrotum, C prostate gland, D ovary. Correct answer is testes. Next, pregnant mother supply nourishment to her fetus through A uterus, B placenta, C ovary, D oviduct. Correct answer is placenta. Dash dash twins are formed from a single embryo. A dizygotic, B monozygotic, C multiple zygote, C D zygote. Correct answer is monozygotic. Next, pollen grain are formed by dash dash division in locule of anther. A meiosis, B mitosis, C amitosis, D binary. Correct answer is meiosis. Next, asexual reproduction occur by dash dash cell division. A mitosis, B meiotic, C fertilization, D double fertilization. Correct answer is mitotic. Next, the method of asexual reproduction is seen in paramecia. A transverse binary fission, B longitudinal binary fission, C simple binary fission, D regeneration. Correct answer is transverse binary fission. Next, in meiosis the number of chromosomes become A multiple time, B triple, C half, or double. Correct answer is half. Generally every month dash dash ovum is released in the abdominal cavity, alternate from each ovary. A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. answer is 1. Dash dash is present in unisexual flower. A. Both androecium and gynoecium. B. Only androecium. C. Only gynoecium. D. Androecium or gynoecium. Correct answer is androecium or gynoecium.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.